The Ghost in the Machine. Unveiling the B-2's stealth, the B-2 spirit. It is a marvel of modern engineering, a true testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. This bomber is designed to penetrate enemy defenses undetected, slipping through the most sophisticated radar systems. Its stealth capabilities are legendary, making it a formidable asset in modern warfare. The B-2 achieves this through a combination of advanced technologies. First, its shape. The B-2's sleek, flying wing design minimizes its radar signature, making it almost invisible to enemy radar. This makes it difficult for enemy radar to detect it. Imagine a bird. Now picture it disappearing against the sky. That's the B-2. Second, its materials. The B-2 is constructed using radar-absorbent materials, or RAM, which play a crucial role in its stealth. These materials absorb radar waves, preventing them from bouncing back to enemy radar systems. This further reduces the aircraft's visibility to enemy radar systems, making it a ghost in the sky. Finally, the B-2's engines are positioned within its fuselage, a strategic design choice. This design minimizes its infrared signature, making it harder to detect using heat-seeking technology. It is much harder to detect using heat-seeking missiles, adding another layer of stealth. The B-2 is a ghost in the machine, an unseen force in the skies. No longer invisible airborne. Threats to the B-2. The B-2 was designed to be invisible to radar. However, technology is always evolving. New threats have emerged. Airborne radar platforms, for example. These pose a challenge to the B-2's stealth. Unlike ground-based radar, airborne radar operates from a higher altitude. This gives it a wider field of view. It can detect aircraft from farther away. It also uses different radar frequencies. Some of these frequencies can better penetrate the B-2's stealth coatings. The B-2 is no longer invisible. The Art of Vanishing. B-2 Operational Tactics. The B-2 Spirit is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to be nearly invisible to radar. Despite these challenges, the B-2 remains a formidable weapon. Its stealth capabilities make it a critical asset in modern warfare. The U.S. Air Force has developed tactics to minimize the risks. These tactics are constantly evolving to adapt to new threats and technologies. One such tactic is contrail management. This involves careful planning and execution to ensure the B-2 remains undetected. Contrails are the white trails left behind by aircraft. They are a common sight in the sky, but can be a giveaway for stealth missions. They're caused by condensed water vapor. When the hot exhaust from the engines meets the cold air at high altitudes, it forms these visible trails. These trails can give away the B-2's position. In a stealth mission, this is a significant risk that needs to be managed. To avoid this, the B-2 can alter its altitude. By flying at different levels, it can reduce the likelihood of contrail formation. It can fly at altitudes where contrails are less likely to form. This is a crucial tactic in maintaining its stealth capabilities. The Air Force also uses weather forecasting. By predicting weather conditions, they can plan missions more effectively. This helps plan missions when and where contrails are less of a concern. Combining these tactics ensures the B-2 remains a ghost in the sky. Section 4. Storm clouds on the horizon. The B-2 and future conflicts. The strategic importance of the B-2 is undeniable. This aircraft has revolutionized modern warfare with its advanced technology and capabilities. It can penetrate heavily defended airspace and deliver devastating payloads with pinpoint accuracy, making it a formidable force. This makes it a key asset in any potential conflict, providing unmatched strategic advantages. Imagine a future conflict with Iran, a nation with significant military capabilities. Iran has acquired advanced air defense systems designed to detect and neutralize incoming threats. They even have sophisticated aircraft like the Su-35, which are known for their agility and combat prowess. The Su-35 is a highly maneuverable fighter jet, equipped with a powerful radar system, making it a formidable adversary. This makes it a potential threat to the B-2, challenging its dominance in the skies. However, the B-2's stealth capabilities, combined with its long range and advanced technology, still give it an edge in modern warfare scenarios. Section 5. A tale of two bombers. Comparing the B-2 Spirit to its Russian counterparts, the B-2 is often compared to other heavy bombers. Take the Russian Tu-160 Blackjack. It is a supersonic bomber that relies on speed to penetrate enemy defenses. Then there's the Pak-Da, Russia's next-generation stealth bomber, which is still under development. The B-2's unique flying wing design and advanced materials give it an edge in stealth, allowing it to operate in highly contested airspace. The future of aerial warfare is uncertain, but the B-2 will continue to play a crucial role.